Today's video is all about how to swaddle your baby. Hi, I'm Carrie from Parenting Genie. I'm a registered nurse, midwife and maternal child health nurse. And today I'm going to show you how to swaddle your baby. But remember, swaddling is just for newborn babies up until about 2.5 months. Once your baby is rolling over onto their tummy, or even getting really wriggly where they're going right over onto their side that way, it's time to stop swaddling your baby. You can then use a baby sleeping bag, but make sure you purchase one where the arms are free, so baby has control when they are rolling. So if you are co-sleeping with your baby, so baby's in bed with you, don't swaddle your baby at all, even a newborn baby. What you need to do is just have them in their clothes, because if they're in a wrap as well next to your body heat with your sheet or blanket over the top of both of you, then baby will overheat, and that is a risk for SIDS. So never swaddle your baby if you've got them in bed with you. So let's get on to the swaddling. So firstly, you will get your wrap and then place the wrap down on a flat surface and then just fold it a little bit over that way. So you've got that all in position. Then with your baby, you are popping them in the middle of the wrap with the neck out above the crease. So if you have the baby too low and then the head's only half out and then you put the swaddle across, it's going to be across their face. And obviously that's really dangerous, we don't want that. So placing your baby with the neck right out over the crease, and then the first position with the arms, pop it on the side a bit, is you can just put the baby's arm across their chest that way, and then you're bringing that swaddle right across, nice and firm, and wrap that around baby and just tuck that side in. And then with the other hand, you're just bringing that hand across the chest as well. And then bring that swaddle over there, nice and firm, tuck that side under. And you can see that the blanket's well below the baby's chin there, it's not on the baby's face. And then you are bringing the bottom of the wrap just straight up, and then you're tucking each side in that way. So there we have it. So the second way you can do the baby's arms, if your baby's, crying and really and flailing with their arms upset that way, the same thing, you fold the top of the wrap over, put the baby in the middle, and then you can just put their hand right down along the side there, and then bring that wrap up nice and firm across. And then the same with the other side, just bring baby's hand down by their side, and then that wrap nice and firm across. Just tuck it under there. And then the same thing with the bottom. You're just bringing the bottom straight up and then wrapping those sides around that way and under there that way. So there we have it. Your baby is nice and swaddled and ready to be settled. So if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends or even send us some gold stars. And I hope to see you next time.